Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are pretty well and also following SOPs to protect yourself and your family from this infectious virus COVID-19. So, stay home, stay safe. Dear students, my name is Fawzi Aziz, SSC teacher in Divisional Public School and College Sahiwal. I welcome you all in online class of DPS. Dear students, before starting our today's lesson, we will discuss objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to define the terms equator, latitude, longitude, to differentiate between latitude and longitude. So students, I want to ask you a few questions. Are you ready for it? Okay. Now, tell me, how can we find the location of a particular place or a country? Think, how can we find? Yes, with the help of map or globe, we can find the location of a particular place or a country. Now, the next question is, which imaginary line divides the earth into two equal parts? Yes, equator. And you can see the line of equator in this diagram. Here, this is the line of equator which divides the earth into two equal parts. Dear students, look at this picture. This picture is of our earth. Look carefully. This picture is of our earth. Now, look at this picture. It is also the diagram of our earth. But there is a difference between this picture and the picture that I have shown earlier. Here in this picture, there are some lines drawn from upward to downward, and the lines that are drawn round the globe. There is difference between this picture and the picture that I have shown you earlier and this picture. Dear students, look at this picture of earth. In this picture, you can see a red line that is running in the center of the diagram. Yes, this line is called equator. Equator is a 0-degree line of latitude which divides the earth into two equal halves. Now, dear students, this diagram is also our earth. And look carefully. As I have told you earlier, this line is of equator and it is 0-degree. And again there are some other lines. Here the earth divides into two parts. One is Northern Hemisphere. N stands for Northern Hemisphere, and here is S. S stands for Southern Hemisphere. The lines that run parallel to the equator are called lines of latitude. The lines drawn from the east to the west are known as lines of latitude. You can see here the lines that are drawn from east to west are called lines of latitude. These lines run parallel, and again there are degrees. You can see among these lines there is also difference: 30 degree north, 60 degree north, 90 degrees. So the lines of latitudes are in 90 in the north and 19 in the south. Total 180 lines in number. So the lines of latitude are 180 in number. 90 lines are drawn parallel to the north, and 90 lines are parallel to the south. And each of these lines represent a degree. Dear students, this diagram is also of our earth. But in this diagram, the position of lines are different. Here, lines are drawn from upward to downward. Or you can say these lines joins the North Pole to the South Pole. The imaginary lines drawn from the North Pole to the South are called lines of longitude. Look carefully at this diagram. Here in the center is also a line, that is the line of prime meridian, and it is also 0 degree. Here in the center of this diagram is Greenwich, which is a city of London. Here the lines are divided into two parts. In the east, these lines are from 0 degree to 180 degree, and in the west these lines are from 0 degree to 180 degree, and the total degrees are 360. These are called lines of longitude. In longitude, degrees are calculated from Greenwich, city of London, 0 degree, as I have told you earlier. Again, total 360 degrees, 180 in the east of longitude and 180 degrees in the west of longitude. Dear students, look at this map. Identify this map. This map is of our dear homeland, Pakistan, and it is on the world map. We have to see the location of Pakistan. Here in this side, these lines that are drawn from east to west. These are the lines of latitude, and the lines that are drawn from north to south. Here you can see this line is of latitude, and Pakistan is 23.42 degree to 36.55 degree north latitude, and here is this line is of longitude, and Pakistan is 60.45 degree to 75.26 degree east longitude. Dear students, today we have learnt about equator, which is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts, and it is 0 degree. Line of latitude. The lines that run parallel to the equator are called lines of latitude, and they are 180 in number. The lines that join North Pole to the South Pole are called lines of longitude. They are 360 in numbers. I have prepared an assignment for you. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Dash is a line of latitude which divides the earth into two equal parts. Now class, you have three options: Greenwich, equator, longitude, and the correct answer is equator. Number 2, there are total dash longitudes, and you have option A 260, option B 180, option C 360. Yes, the correct answer is 360 degree. Number 3, the lines of longitude are estimated with the city of dash, Birmingham, Greenwich, England. Very good. The correct option is England. Dear students, there is homework for you. There are only 3 questions, and you have to write the short answer of these questions. These are the short questions, and you have to write the answer of these questions. And the number 1 is define equator. Number 2, what are the lines of latitude? Number 3, what are the lines of longitude? Dear students, I hope आपको आज के सब लेसन की अच्छी तरह से समझ आ गई होगी। अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।